Meron ba silang ano, cart? May cart ba?
17.
Ah, ito.
He's asking what size you got wear.
Ha?
He's asking what size you wear.
Nobody wants your shoes. Get your head out in there.
13? Ha? Mahihingi ng kabaga. Kapasundo ba kayo?
Ha?
Kapasundo kayo?
Ang nakabook nata ang ng hotel. Sama na sa bayad. Salamat. May contact number ka, just in case?
Bigay mo.
Ah. Sorry.
I'm interested in the bath zone.
Go.
You have your things ready, Mom?
The coming days and weeks. Dominic Thomas, as always, thank you. I want to go to Ukraine now, the grueling battle for the country's eastern Donbass region. On Tuesday, Ukraine reported heavy shelling in the city of Sloviansk in the Donetsk region. Local officials say that
Welcome to our suite room, the master bedroom here in the Alpa Suites. So here's the view overlooking. It's just raining outside. It has a TV and the office room, and it has another view in here right there. It has little refrigerator, yeah, and then it has hair dryer and safe kit, and it has a lot of drawer. Here's the drawer. Here's a lot of drawer. A lot of drawer. And here is the bathroom. It's a nice bathroom. It has a shower. This is a shower. And it has the amenities. See, then they have a room. I like their display, like the decoration in the bathroom. It's nice. It's neat and clean. Look at that. And it has a lot of Kailangan ko kanyang dental kit, shaving kit, vanity kit, shower cap, and sewing kit. Ito na isa. Vanity kit. And that's their faucet. Nice lang mga decor. It's a nice decoration. It's really cool. Now we go to the other room. They have a lot of storage. Look, this is really good for family traveler. It also has a big a big closet in here. This is a closet of the master bedroom. Look. It has it has iron board, slippers. They have slippers, and they have a room, and nice lang mga decor. They have a beautiful decoration display. And they have an extra room in here. That is a bathroom. This one is a bathroom. Extra. And this is like a storage. You can store your luggages in there. So we put all the luggages in here. Yep. Then here comes the living room. Here is the living room. Look at the living room. It's overview also. That TV can turn into a movie. You can put the screen, no, not the screen, the brown thing in there. And I love the kitchen. Look at the setup. It's beautiful. It's ready to go. Okay. It's ready. It's ready. Pwede ka magpa-party and it's overlooking. And it has amenities like they have a coffee. The compliments. They have a coffee. They have a water. Nice lang sa danan sa water. They have a coffee maker. Stove. And they have a kitchen utensils. They have also heating stuff in here. Kitchen utensils. They have in here. They have some pots and pans. They also have an oven here. That's the oven. What is in here? Oh, it's another storage if you go in grocery. They have a faucet. You can wash. They have a microwave, which is the best. Microwave. And they have like, I think this is a wine cooler. And the best is like they have a big refrigerator. Freezer. And the best that I like is the washer and dryer here. Washer and dryer. Maglaba. Parang iniguli sa US, wala na labanan. Yeah. That one. And that's the dryer. Ang diri, more on storage if you have groceries, you know. Yes. And look at their decoration, it's really nice. It's beautiful. Look at that. Nice. Magulang gid sa gawas. And it's quiet. So we're gonna go to the other bedroom, which is Kuya Sid's bedroom. Here. He's here. Nice bedroom.
Yeah.
And it's an overlooking the whole view of Makati. Yeah. That's nice. It's raining hard. And he has his own thing here too. He has his own closet. Where is it? Yep, has his own closet. And has the slippers also. So you like it here? Okay, and then here is the bedroom of the two musketeers. Here's the one, Dara and Daryl.
Hi.
Hello. Do you like your room?
Yes.
Overview. Look, it's nice. It's beautiful. And you have the office desk. You know? You have the office desk.
Yeah. It's really cool. It's a really nice bedroom.
Yeah.
It's rainy.
They have their own closets also. They have their own cabinet. And they have their own bathroom. Look at their own bathroom. Bathroom. They have their own thing also here. The kitchen stuff. The bathroom stuff. So it's nice. And David Carr has his own bathroom also. So see, it's cool. And okay. So the best is, so this is the shower. With a complete seat. In a row. It's beautiful. Yeah.